Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well and watching my videos. If you are do so, please consider to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. And it really encourages me to create more content for you guys just like this one. So let's begin the video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing about 3 best websites softwares to use to actually design your own website. Okay, and it's going to be really useful video for the people who has just begin to learn web designing or are professional. Okay, now first of all, what you have to do is you have to come to your Google Chrome, okay, or any browser you're using, okay, and then you have to search up for a website which I personally use and it is great, is known as Figma. Okay, I'm gonna put the link of that in the description so you can download it right away. Now the first one is over here. If you want to download it for Mac OS, you can click on Mac if you're a Mac user. If you're a Windows user, you have to click on Windows, okay? But if you're viewing this video on an Android or iOS device, click on Figma Mirror for iOS if you're using an iOS. If you're using an Android, click on Figma Mirror for Android. Okay, and once you have installed it, you have to, of course, sign in or sign up. Now launch it, and I'm not going to go through many of the details, but it's really great. And if you really want to learn how to use Figma, comment me down in the comments box so I can create a video on that. Okay, so moving on to our second second software, which is known as InVision Studio. Okay, and if you click on download InVision, or not this link, if you just scroll down until you find this link, I'm gonna put that in the description again. Now you're gonna see something like this, and it's a quite cool website too. Okay, now you have to click on download Studio free. Okay, and then you have to give your email address. Okay, it's completely safe. Okay, once you have downloaded it, you have to launch InVision Studio and then play around it. Again, if you want to see how it works and how to use it, tell me that in the description box so I can create a video on that. Moving on to our third website, which is not free. It's not free, but yeah. If you click on the first link, you can try a free trial, you know. Okay, and why is this? I don't understand it. Okay, then you can buy it, okay, or if you want to try it how it goes, you can start a free trial. Okay, can't see it right now, but I'm gonna put the link of that in the description box so you can download, or no, not download, either buy it or try a free trial so you can just see how it goes. Okay, and again, if you want to learn about it more, then tell me in the description box, I can create a video. If you want to see a bonus part of today's video, stay till the end. That website name is CodePen. This website is actually very great to use because it's a real cool website. If I know some of you might know about it, and that's great. So the video is actually not a video. So what you can do is you can actually search up for it. Okay, so if you can search up for a portfolio, if you want to see how it goes, you can see the code, you can copy it, you can paste it. So for example, if I would pick up this one, now this isn't mine. Okay, and you can see the code, how it goes. You can see CSS to learn that what sections are for what. Okay, and JavaScript, you can see the HTML. Okay, or if you want to create your own pen, so you can click on your work and then you can create one. Okay, you can just create it. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you did, please consider to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. It really encourages me to create more content for you guys. And if you want to see how I set up my desktop, how I customized it, tell me that in the description box so I can create a video on that. So thank you very much for watching my videos. I'm going to see you in my next video with another interesting topic. Till then, bye bye.